Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to use max and minimum formula in Excel. Firstly we will be talking about max, how to use max formula. In max formula we will be able to know the highest number in the array in the data selected. We can uh, use max formula by using the formula is equal to max. Now to make it easier, we will be just clicking on the tab button and now select the range and press enter. And as you can see, the highest number in the selected range is number 41. And if we want to use the minimum function, we can use it uh, by is equal to and braces apply and press enter. And the m- smallest number in the data selected is 14. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon.